Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar from sunny Sarasota, Florida, coming to you for the first time for 2025. Actually, I guess it wouldn't be technically the first time, but from our new home here in Sarasota, Florida, and it's great to be here. We've had a hectic last couple of days, but we got my office set up, as you can see. I'm very happy with how the office turned out, and we were able to stream. We were able to stream this morning, which was great. And yeah, let's just dive right in and recap the day. So starting out the day, okay. Also, just recap. Yes, last Thursday, Friday, I didn't take any trades, so nothing new to report. Um, really nothing. I really didn't do anything. I felt kind of out of touch. Actually, I take that back. The one thing I did do was I blew up my Top Step accounts, which made me really sad, but we did get a payout. We secured about a $19,800 payout. And then 2 days after the payout, we paid the price in gold. We traded gold, and 2 minis is too much for trading gold. I discovered that the hard way, but again, I feel pretty, those accounts kind of felt free in a way. So I'm pretty happy just being able to get a payout, move on, and basically helped my month of October. Okay, we are going to just dive in. So this morning had a little bit of a move higher and a big sell off this morning. Once we had a move below the VWAP, I was looking for a short, and we did. We got our first trade in Florida, an entry here at the 26 124s. First profit was taken at the 110s, and the second profit was taken at the 82s. And we had a really nice trade, that first trade. Almost no drawdown, kind of your just ideal trade. I was up about $200 per account. Then unfortunately, we did take this trade. We made new lows. And I mean, this was a perfect setup. There was nothing wrong with this setup, and I would take it every day. We just never made it to the first target, and we faked out, ripped higher, stopped me out, and then we just started going sideways. As you can see, now this small trade right here was kind of a fluke. I was trying to get in short, and I was a little late in doing so, and only like 2/3 of my accounts got filled. And when that happens, I decided to just close it out. I didn't really want to be in the trade when I don't know. I don't like it when my trade copier, sometimes when price is moving so fast and you enter, you can get it to where only a part of your accounts gets filled. And that can be very it can cause issues then when your target gets filled. So I decided to just close it out and wait and see if we get another entry. We did get another entry. I did take another entry here at the 26075s. It did hit my first target here. And then I tried to, my game plan was basically to try to trail my stop and see if we don't make new lows. We never did. I got stopped out at break even. And that was basically it. We kind of started grinding higher. I ended stream somewhere in here. And basically the rest of the day so far has just kind of been a really big nothing burger. So happy to walk away. Not anything crazy today. I was hoping for a really nice $300-400 day, but it was not meant to be. If not for this stop loss, if we didn't hit this stop, we would be up about $400 today, which would be really nice. But hey, it is what it is. We'll take a green day on the first day trading from Florida. We followed our rules, and that is all we can ask for. Here are my trade. Oh, I got to change my, hang on, just bear with me, guys. I don't want to re-record this video, so just hang with me. This is what happens when you do live recordings and you don't edit your videos. Here we go. That's it. That's what I wanted to show. So this is just a screenshot from my trade. First trade, entry, target, hit. Stop loss was right here. A plus, everything done great. And then this trade, yeah, hit my stop loss or hit it. Had my entry. My target was right here. Second target was here. And we just never got to that first target and got stopped out. And the next trade was this one where we got stopped out for break even. So hit the first target, stopped out for break even. Yeah, overall, I'm not upset. I'm not upset about today. It was a good day of trading, and hopefully we will get some clean price action here in the next couple weeks, days, the rest of the year. That would be great. NQ feels like we've been kind of going sideways. Also on gold, I am trading these. So these 6 funded tick accounts, I am trading gold on these accounts. Now today, gold just did not give us any setups. There were a couple setups where could have taken some, but really nothing ideal. So really didn't have any setups on gold, but I do plan to trade the funding ticks accounts on gold. So also, I would be remiss not to remind everybody, Apex is offering their lowest price for an activation fee ever. They're doing a pretty, like a different kind of sale. They're doing $40 lifetime activation fees, the lowest I have ever seen. It's 70% off for the evals, so they, hiked up the price a little bit or did a little bit less of a discount on the evals, so a little more expensive on the front side, but then if you pass, the activation fee is only $40, which is a really good price. So I just wanted to mention that. And if you do decide to use code NBT, I really do appreciate it. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Also, the Tradeify Cup. So I will take a screenshot for those of you that joined the Tradeify Cup. Let me log in actually. I should have done this before I started recording. But let me just, so this is the dashboard currently. Now, I am currently ranked 212th. I traded this afternoon on gold and I actually messed up. So the Tradeify Cup only allows you to trade 2 minis at all times. And I had a waiting order sitting that I wasn't aware of on gold. And I was trading NQ, and I think it was like a couple minutes overlap where I was in gold and in NQ completely unknowingly. I'm so upset at myself. I wasn't aware. I wasn't aware that I had an outstanding order sitting on gold. I was trading NQ and I was in a trade and I closed my trade and I saw that my P&L was still moving and I was like, what is going on? And I went, closed it, and I realized what happened. I quickly closed it. I don't know if they're going to flag that. It was literally maybe 20 seconds. Maybe 20 seconds where I was in that. I don't know. If they flag it and reset me, I guess it is what it is. But it didn't have any bearing on my P&L at all. But I understand they probably need to stay consistent across the board. But either way, it is what it is. But this is the leaderboard. And I am going to check. I'm going to check our team. So Team NBT. This is the current leaderboard on NBT. So I am currently in 3rd place, but I'm not sure if they're going to allow that or not. But I am going to do some giveaways for people that are on my team and finish the day in 1st, 2nd, or 3rd. I do have quite a bit of Tradeify giveaway accounts, so I will be trying to give those away. I'm not sure how I will give them away. if I don't know who you are. So that's going to be a little bit challenging, but hopefully we can figure something out. But thanks everyone for joining the NBT team. I really do appreciate it. And I think we can have a lot of fun with this. Currently, we don't have that many players or people on our team. So obviously we're a little bit of a disadvantage, but it doesn't matter. As long as we make it, there's going to be so many people eliminated today because they were knowingly trading two minis across different symbols. So that's it. Tomorrow will really show who's in the lead. But for now, anyway, I'm probably going to share this just as we go throughout each day and keep you guys informed. I think it's going to be fun. Again, is it competition? I'm not going to take it too seriously. Obviously, I'm going to be focusing on trading my funded accounts, but I'm also going to have fun with this. It's going to be fun. So I hope you guys have fun with it as well. And that's it. That's all I got. I hope you guys all had a great day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care and God bless.